We would love to be able to take that AI everywhere. We are in this for the long term, and we are committed to building the most advanced AI in the world.
AGI is basically the equivalent of a median human.
Right now, it may feel like AI is speeding ahead, leaving you anxious and frustrated. But what if we told you that the very skills that seem to threaten your career could become your greatest advantage? In this video, we'll share exactly how to turn fear into fuel and build an unstoppable career in an AI-powered world. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to multiply your potential. Let's break it down. We're living in an unprecedented era of technological transformation. According to a 2023 McKinsey report, up to 50% of today's work activities could be automated by 2030. The pace of change is dizzying, and it's natural to feel overwhelmed. But here's the truth. AI isn't just eliminating jobs, it's creating new ones, reshaping industries, and opening doors for those who can adapt. The question isn't whether AI will change the future, it's whether you'll be ready to embrace that change. And if you've been feeling afraid or frustrated, know this. Those emotions are the first step toward growth. Think about the rise of automobiles in the early 20th century. Blacksmiths feared extinction, and for good reason. Horseshoes were no longer in demand. But some blacksmiths saw an opportunity. They learned to repair engines, transitioning from a fading craft to a thriving industry. Today, you're not a blacksmith. You're someone with infinite possibilities, standing at the crossroads of change. The key? Adapting your skills to meet the needs of the future. The traditional career path, specializing deeply in one skill and climbing a steady ladder, no longer guarantees success. Why? AI systems are mastering specialist tasks at an alarming rate, from diagnosing diseases to writing code. If you stay in your comfort zone, you risk being left behind. But here's the upside. Adaptability isn't just about survival, it's about thriving. The skills that make you irreplaceable aren't tied to one job. They're tied to your ability to evolve. The solution is simple but powerful. Become a human-AI hybrid. Learn how to work alongside AI to amplify your creativity, efficiency, and problem-solving skills. This approach doesn't require you to master everything overnight. Instead, focus on building 3 foundational powers. 1, the power to collaborate with AI. 2, the power to automate tasks. 3, the power to innovate across fields. AI isn't here to replace your creativity or problem-solving. It's here to enhance it. Think of it like a really smart assistant that helps you work faster and smarter. For example, tools like ChatGPT can help you write emails, brainstorm ideas, or even plan out entire projects. If you're into design, tools like MidJourney or Canva can create stunning visuals in seconds. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert to get started. Here's what you can do. Take a small step. Think about one area of your work or life where you could use a little extra help. Maybe you've got a presentation to create, emails piling up, or ideas you want to organize. Try out a tool like ChatGPT or Canva. Just type in what you need. Something simple like generate ideas for my next project or create a professional-looking design. See what it comes up with. The goal isn't to master the tool right away. It's just to play around and get a feel for how it can make your life easier. The power to automate tasks. Let's be honest, no one loves repetitive tasks. Whether it's managing emails, scheduling meetings, or updating spreadsheets, it's boring and eats up valuable time. This is where automation comes in. Tools like Zapier and Make.com can connect your apps and take care of those small, repetitive tasks for you. For example, you could set up an automation that saves email attachments straight to a folder or schedules social media posts automatically. AI can even help analyze data or manage simple customer inquiry. Here's how to get started. Think about one task you do every day that drives you nuts. Maybe it's replying to the same kind of email over and over, or moving data from one app to another. Look up how a tool like Zapier could handle that for you. Most of these tools are super user-friendly, and they often have templates you can use to set up automation in minutes. And here's the thing, once you see how much time you're saving on one task, you'll be hooked. It's like having an invisible assistant working in the background so you can focus on the big stuff. Now, here's where things get exciting. AI isn't just about efficiency, it's about unlocking new possibilities. With AI, you can explore skills and fields you might have never thought about before. For example, if you could use AI to design graphics or edit videos. If you're a marketer, you could build a simple app or automate workflows. AI lets you cross boundaries, connect ideas, and innovate in ways that make you stand out. What you can do today? Pick something you've always wanted to try, but didn't have the time or skills for. Maybe it's creating visuals, coding a small project, or editing videos. Use a tool like MidJourney for design, Replit for coding, or Runway AI for video editing. These tools are made to be beginner-friendly, so don't worry if it's all new to you. Just dive in, experiment, and see what you can create. And remember, it's not about becoming an expert right away. It's about opening the door to new possibilities and building confidence as you go. Here's the magic. These 3 strategies, collaborating with AI, automating tasks, and exploring new skills, don't just work on their own. They actually build on each other. When you collaborate with AI, you learn how to work smarter. When you automate tasks, you free up time to innovate. And when you explore new skills, you become the kind of adaptable, versatile person who thrives no matter how fast the world changes. I know this can feel like a lot, but you don't have to figure it all out at once. Start small. Pick one tool, one task, or one skill to try today. Maybe it's asking ChatGPT to draft an email or setting up a simple automation in Zapier. The important thing is to start. Remember, AI isn't here to take over. It's here to give you superpowers. The people who thrive in this new world won't be the ones who resist change. They'll be the ones who adapt, explore, and use AI to amplify their strengths. So, take a deep breath. You've got this. Start small, experiment, and watch what happens when you embrace the future instead of fearing it. If this video helped you, hit that like button and let us know in the comments what you're excited or nervous about when it comes to AI. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to stay ahead in an AI-driven world.